Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mixed fruit jam at home. Chop fruit, measure sugar, and sterilize jars before cooking. Start by combining chopped fruit and sugar in a wide saucepan so evaporation happens quickly. Stir gently, bring to a steady boil, and test thickness by cooling a teaspoon on a plate. Add lemon for brightness and pectin if needed, then fill hot jars and seal tightly. Simmering patiently is key to good jam. Keep heat moderate and stir often to avoid scorching. As the mixture reduces, you will notice thickness increasing and flavor concentrating, which is exactly what you want. Skim any foam for a clearer appearance and finish with a reliable set test on a chilled plate. When the jam holds its shape and slightly wrinkles, it's ready to jar and seal while still hot. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more simple recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart navigation to tidy crumbs and spills after your jam making. It makes cleanup effortless so you can focus on delicious results, and it's a fun kitchen sidekick. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work efficiently when jarring so the jam fills hot jars and seals well, which preserves flavor and safety. Leave about 1/4 inch headspace, clean the jar rims, and secure lids before processing in a boiling water bath for the recommended time. Once cooled, check seals, label jars with contents, and store them in a cool, dark spot. Refrigerate after opening to enjoy freshness for weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.